Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your new passport details on your OCI card. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So this video I'm showing you in the form of screenshots to maintain privacy. So first of all, after you have obtained your new passport and if you want to, okay, I'm again saying if you want to, I'm not saying you have to, if you want to, you can go to this OCI services website and here you need to put this captcha. Now fill new miscellaneous application or complete like you have to go for OCI miscellaneous services site, and here you can go for fill new miscellaneous application. Then you have put your passport number, OCI, date of birth. So this passport number is something that is registered with your OCI card. Okay. Then screen will come like this. Here your details will be there. Name, OCI number, date of birth, issue date, passport number, nationality, email ID. I have removed this for privacy reasons. On this page, see gratis service. So you have passport particular updation. I have shown here. You have to select that, go to next. Here you have to provide the details. Okay, based on your location, this can be picked up. Here you have to put your new passport information, additional details, reason, and then submit. So that is how, and from here the process will begin. If they want, they may ask for documents, interview, or anything they want to. Okay, so that is how it goes, guys. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.